make when I grow up, and it's gonna be edited on YouTube. So first here we have bread, like a sliced bread with pizza, and here a basket with food, which is a fried chicken leg, a boiled egg over here, a boiled carrot, and 2 fried sausages. Here we have a fried fish, French fries, and another boiled egg, and a fried egg. Here we have a salad. We have here corn, a salad, lettuce bean, a lettuce. We have a potato, and a celery. Here we have a macaroon. Wait, yeah. Here's a pink macaroon inside. Here's some milk. I have some sandwiches. Here's like a small little cake, because why not? Here's a bottle of water and an empty cup. I hope you enjoyed this video. Just comment here and I will make this in real life when I grow up.